YUME Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer which focuses on producing high-speed off-road electric scooter with power ratings ranging from 800 watts to 8,000 watts and with patented designs. At YUME, we tend to develop multiple different models for the needs of different customers. We have a strong R&D team to meet the constantly changing requirements of the market. Our design team can support and provide DIY lighting effects, logos, and other personalized customization options. So if any of our clients are looking for new models for their brand, we can offer ODM and OEM services. We have professional engineers and a local repair team, which can respond to support requests quickly. We have a high-efficiency sales team, competitive price superiority, and we hold a high reputation among our customers. We have warehouses in the United States, the EU, Australia, and the United Kingdom. We provide drop shipping services, which begins shipping within 24 hours and can deliver any shipments within 7 days. YUME's products have been exported to over 80 countries and regions, especially North America, the EU, Australia, the United Arab Emirates, Korea, the Philippines, South America. All of our products have passed the CE, RoHS UL testing. We are continuously working with our overseas partners to further the influence of our brand. YUME are looking forward to establishing long-term business relationships with all of you.
Built with excellence, trust must be earned. Thanks to support YUME scooter for many years, many of the products are loved by our consumers all over the world. We will continue to develop more closer to the market demands, and will improve our quality and service. We believe that YUME is the most worthy partner with you. Thank you.